Okay, now this is the problem to find out total sales. How do you calculate total sales? Cash sales plus credit sales. Clear? Now how can we get credit sales? Now they have given us cash sales over here. How can we get credit sales? By deriving debtors account. So you have to open what? Debtors account for this problem. And we have to open what? Bills receivable account also, because they have given some entries with respect to bills receivable. Clear? Okay. Now first one is what? Opening balance of bills receivable. Where it will go? Bills receivable is an asset, so it will go on the debit side. That is what? Opening balance of bills receivable. The next one is what? Opening balance of debtors. Where it will go? Opening balance of debtors. Clear? That is what? 30,800. Bills receivable honored during the year. That is what? To 20,900. So where it will go? Bills receivable honored. It will go over here. If it is dishonored, it will come over here. Are you understanding? If it is honored, it will come over here. And a dual effect we have to give it to where? We have to give it a bills receivable account. That is what? By calling it as to debtors account, bills receivable honored 20,900. Please understand this problem. Okay, transaction. Okay, dual effect. The next one is what? Cash received from debtors. Where it will go? Cash received is from debtors they are receiving, so it will go to debtors account on credit side. Clear? The next one is bad debts return inwards. Both will be what? Going to debtors account. That is what? One is bad debts and one is sales return. We will go where? Credit side. The next one is bills receivable dishonored. So it will go one effect over here, and the other effect in bills receivable account, bills receivable dishonored. The next one is what? Closing balance of bills receivable. Of course, opening balance will come on debit, closing balance will come over here. What will be balancing figure now then, the students? The balancing figure will be cash account of the bills receivable. Remember this. How did we do this? 20,000 plus this will be 28,700 minus what? 1,800 and 6,000. You will get this one. This will be a balancing figure. Clear with this? The next one is what? Closing balance of debtors. Closing balance of debtors will be where? It will be closing balance. And then cash sales they have given. Cash sales will not come in both, but we have to calculate it for calculation of total sales as what they have asked the question. Clear? Total sales will be found out how? Cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales, so we have got it from the question itself. So cash sales is how much? Cash sales is 40,900. So we have to write it over here, 40,900. How will we get credit sales? Credit sales should be calculated by using what now? Debtors account. So debtors account will be calculated how? First, you have to do one thing. You have to total it up, these all, minus this both. 30,800 plus 1,800. Okay, 1,800. You will get credit sales. That will be balancing figure. So this credit sales should be brought over here, and then we have to add this. Then we will get what now? Total sales. That is what? Your 1,36,200. This is 5 marks important problem for you all. Okay, I might put for your internals also. Okay, thank you.